Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had coming to stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A3 Sportback S-Line with the 35 TDI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre TDI engine you get 147 brake horsepower with 360 Nm of torque, which gets you from 0 to 60 in around 8 seconds. On the front wheel, these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 18-inch 5-arm dynamic design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the rear tailgate open, you get 380 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down, you get 1,200 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in twin black leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury, with centre armrests, dual cup holders and the rear air vents bringing up the comfort front. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front wheel, the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as the dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so those mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter for those precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the park assist buttons, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier, and when you're struggling, the park assist lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is listen to the prompts on screen. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact with us and come and take a look for yourself.